The Savannah College of Art and Design Museum presents an extraordinary journey into the world of exceptional design. Jewelry of Ideas, the Susan Grant Lewin Collection. A collaboration that brings together centuries of artistic vision and contemporary curatorial excellence. Brought to you by the Cooper Hewitt Smithsonian Design Museum. Each piece tells a story of innovation, craftsmanship, and the endless possibilities when art meets imagination. From intimate details that capture light and shadow, to bold statements that redefine what jewelry can be. Curated with the expertise of visionaries like Norman Monteau, this collection represents more than adornment. It represents ideas made tangible. Two prestigious institutions, one remarkable collection. Countless moments of wonder. This is where design history lives and breathes. Coming to YouTube in the winter of 2025.